This is McDonald's Happy Meal, and this is toy number 4. This is keys from Karma's World, and everything is recyclable. Out of the box is this journal looking book. You can put the pencil here if you like. It comes with activities like build a basketball, pretty cool. And then here are some of my faves pictures. This is kids grant, and you can put your name here, instructions on how to make the basketball. It has reunite with major, it's like a puzzle, and then invention match, and then this toy is not really a toy, it's just a bunch of activities put together. Oh, nice coloring, pretty cool. And then it comes with this pencil, and my favorite, which is the connect the dots. What is this going to build? And then let's see, you're a star, and then make your own comic in a way. Oh, hi doggy, wanna play? Yes, give me a ball, yay. And then can you find these items? You have to find these items in here. And then photo match, match the photos, and then make your own song here. You could make your own poetry if you like. I would do poetry maybe. Pretty cool. And yay, stickers. I like the milk. Decorate your backpack. You could use the stickers to decorate it. The last page, nice. And we could just take this apart and make it. So let's see what color it came from here. And looks like the red colored pencil, or it's orange. This is Karma's World, orange colored pencil. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm not sure how this works. Looks like that's A. That's C, and then this is B. They come out pretty easily. That's D. Okay, let's figure this out. A to B, kind of like that. And then slot C into A and B. Slot C into A and B, I guess like that. Oh yeah, there, like that. And then slot D into shape ABC on the opposite side, I guess like that. There, now we have a basketball. Slam dunk now. Okay. Pretty cool. It connects nicely there. Now it's a basketball. Maybe dunk. Yay!